What's up, RCNUTS? We're out here busting out another fashion video. Right now we're over by Box Canyon. Not quite to Box Canyon, but kind of on the way in Florence area, Arizona. We got the RZR out here, guys. This is the four-seater, four-wheel drive turbo. This thing is fast as hell for what it is, man. I'm fully surprised at it when I get on it. We got the Terremoto. We got the E-MAXX out here. This thing is sick. Oh yeah, we got the MAXX over there. Two Stampedes. Hey, what's up, Malachi? Hi.
Say hi, everybody.
What's up, everybody? So, let's get to it, guys. Damn! Oh! Oh, man. What happened? Oh, dude, look at this. The foam came all the way up. Holy crap, dude. Oh my god. The carnage. Dude, what happened?
Popping shocks off in the front. The rear, I just fixed the rear. I'm gonna fix front, just throw cap back on and get on out there.
Alright. All the oil's gone?
It's alright, I don't care.
You got oil?
No.
You're gonna wing it.
I'm gonna wing it.
Hell yeah, because we're RCNUTS.
Yes.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Damn! Oh, what happened? Dude, guys, you gotta check this out. My buddy's been working on this, putting this thing together for a little bit, and it is sick. Look how it turned out. Oh, yeah. Dude, I love those flames. It looks so badass. Look at the tires on that thing, dude. Hell yeah. Oh, they're huge.
Yes.
Look at that. Oh. So what do you got here? What is this thing?
It's the original E-MAXX. Before they changed the chassis and everything to plastic, this is what they had.
And you guys just turned it into a what?
A 6S brushless.
Woo, 6S brushless. Metal, everything, man. We're gonna smash this thing to bits, guys. We're gonna destroy this thing today. We just got it put together.
No, maybe not destroy it.
Well, yes, we are. Woo, do it. Woo! Oh, what happened? Oh yeah!